Meanwhile, hundreds of Americans were finally taken off a quarantine cruise ship in Japan. KPIX5's Betty Yu reports some of those evacuees are now at Travis Air Force Base as another group is getting ready to go home. Betty?
Liz, tomorrow the husband of an evacuee from Wuhan will travel to Travis Air Force Base to pick up his family, and they will all return to their home in Wisconsin. He told me via Facetime tonight his wife and kids have been quarantined for about a month, including their time in China.
These photos capture what the last 2 weeks have been like for Sam Roth's two little girls, ages 5 and 11 months, and his wife Daisy. Story time, picnics, and plenty of toys. They were among the first passengers evacuated from Wuhan and held at the West Wind Inn on the base. The Roths were in Wuhan visiting family.
The quarantine experience has been good. They've been provided plenty of food, 3 meals a day. They have a comfortable hotel to stay in. They're allowed to go outside and be in the grass and in the area that's fenced off.
Samuel shared a photo of one of their meals, even a Valentine's Day card given to his 5-year-old daughter from a CDC employee. His family tells him they've remained healthy throughout. The evacuees have been screened and monitored daily by medical professionals.
My family has done everything necessary to remain healthy, to avoid bringing the disease into the community. We've complied with everything the government has asked us to, and we just hope that the community that we're going back to accepts us and is not afraid of us.
More evacuees from China are quarantined at Travis Air Force Base tonight, part of a group of 300 Americans evacuated by the U.S. government from the Diamond Princess cruise ship off the coast of Japan. 14 passengers tested positive for the virus and were taken to a hospital in Nebraska. They were not yet showing symptoms at the time of the evacuation and were allowed to board a flight to the U.S.
Carl had a fever and he's been in this isolated tent.
Jerry Cerati Goldman's husband was one of the hospitalized patients. She's now in quarantine in Omaha.
Well, there is also concern about the more than 2,000 passengers and crew members who were aboard another cruise ship called Westerdam, who disembarked in Cambodia. They had been given the all clear, but an American passenger has since tested positive for the virus. Liz?
Betty, thank you. For